this metering and protection single line diagram is applicable for the outgoing transformer feeder, but this time this is dry type transformer feeder. Suppose for 11 kV by 0.415 kV, that means 415 volt, or for 6.6 kV by 415 volt distribution LV transformer. So this feeder is for that particular application. So here you can see for this outgoing feeder, definitely there is the withdrawable type electrical drawout type circuit breaker 52, and these are the breaker status: breaker on, off, spring charged, breaker trip circuit healthiness. And this is simply for the protection relay output. So this current transformer is connected. This is connected with the numerical multifunction relay. So what are the protective functions here? 50, that means instantaneous overcurrent. So in case of any fault, we need to trip this feeder immediately without any time delay to protect the transformer. So 50 element is there, instantaneous overcurrent. 51 is also there, this is IDMT overcurrent, inverse time overcurrent. And 50G element, this is for 50G, this is for ground element, definite time overcurrent for ground fault. Breaker failure and breaker monitoring functions. So these are the functions, protective functions of features available with this multifunction relay. And this set this current transformer, this is for metering city. This metering city is for this MFM multifunction meter, as I already explained in my previous videos. So all these remote interface signals are available from this digital multifunction meter. Signal is going to the bus BT panel, signal is going to the DCS. This is through Modbus RS485 protocol. This feature is also available. And also the signal 4 to 20 milliampere DC signal is also available for current voltage and power. This is CBCT, code balance city or zero city. This is very sensitive. This is very sensitive to protect the power feeder cables. So all this power feeder medium voltage cables will pass through this CBCT to sense the relay. So if there is any earth fault, then this core balance CT will sense the leakage current, and it will sense the relay, and this relay will trigger the circuit breaker to trip. And also this is the surge protective device, surge arrestor. It may be required for the transformer feeder. Since this is transformer feeder, this surge arrestor may be required. So what are the basic functions? As you can see, there is no oil field transformer related functions. That means 63, that means Buchholz relay, or WTI, OTI, winding temperature indicator, oil temperature indicator. Those features are not applicable for this dry type transformer. So as a conclusion, from this outgoing feeder, one circuit breaker is connected with this one set of protection CTs, which is further connected with the protective relay. Then metering CT, this set of CTs are connected with the multifunction meter for metering purpose, and another set of CBCT is there to protect the feeder medium voltage power cable, and this surge arrestor for this transformer feeder. So these are the protective and metering scheme for dry type distribution transformer feeder from 11 kV or 6.6 kV medium voltage.